Hiya, it's Lorraine Bracken here. Today's video I'm going to go through a new product that's been released on October 18th called ProfitGram. I want to show you some details on the sales page that I believe are very important for you to know before you pick this product up, especially if you are a beginner trying to make money online. I'm also going to go through the details and features inside the members area. I'm going to give you the pros and cons. I'll suggest a safer free alternative that you can get started with, and I'm also just going to give you my overall opinion on whether I believe this is going to help you make money online. But before we dive right in, if you're struggling to make money online and you want to get started with real honest step-by-step free training, go click the link in the description down below. It is my top recommended training to get started as a complete beginner. And with that being said, let's take a look at ProfitGram. What they claim on the sales page is you can send unlimited messages straight to the phones of 2 billion plus people for a low one-time price. It's a brand new email killer Instagram autoresponder, lets you blast any link to millions of people in seconds. ProfitGram automates free traffic and high-ticket commissions in just 3 simple steps. Step 1, log in to your stunning cloud-based software, and then step 2, upload your Instagram contact list or let the app find red-hot Instagram leads right away. And step 3, relax as ProfitGram blasts any message with any link or offer to the phones of millions. They make big claims all throughout the sales page, so I want to dive straight into the members area. We'll take a look at the features inside and see will this actually deliver on what they promise. The first thing we look at is the training, because I think that's the most important part, especially if you're a beginner. You need to know exactly how to use their software. After taking a look at the training, I can tell you it's very basic. When I go into one of the modules, we have one video, and you'll see it's less than 3 minutes long. It just gives a brief overview of how you can make a post and how to connect your account. Following on from that, we have different documents here. A majority of these are just simply screenshots with images on how to connect different parts, just like this one. There's one in particular I want to just go through here, throttled by Instagram because of too many API request errors. What this document runs through is in the event that you cannot auto-post, comment, follow or do any sort of actions within their software, the reasons for that. And they do mention that if you get an error, feedback required means Instagram says that you are spamming and you are trying to do things too fast, such as liking, following, voting, etc. Lots of random people in a very short time interval. And ProfitGram is saying we don't tolerate accounts that don't follow the instructions. However, on their sales page, aren't they telling us that we are able to blast out links to millions of people in seconds? And they carry on by saying this error comes directly from Instagram. It's not related to their software. And as we always inform users, high speeds are risky. We're not responsible for any issues related to Instagram accounts. In my personal opinion, they're just covering themselves that their software is more than likely going to get accounts banned in Instagram and they don't want to be held liable. Back in the dashboard, on the bottom of the screen, we have all our features. We have dashboard, which is this screen. We have publish all, Instagram, schedules, account manager, file manager, group manager, caption and watermark. First one we'll go through is the file manager. And in here you have the option to upload your own images, your own media for your Instagram posts. You can go ahead and select this button and you can upload your images. There's not much more to that. And then we can go into our account manager. We can select add Instagram profile. You put in your username, password, proxy, add profile. Now, I'm not going to connect my Instagram account for this demo because I don't want to risk my account, but the features will be the same when you connect your account. And next up we have Group Manager. You can add new, and this will be where your list of accounts will be. Assuming you'll be doing this as a service for other people and using the commercial license, then the list of accounts will be in here. And the next one is captions. You can add new caption, you can put in whatever you like and submit, and it's saved in your captions file. And it's not much more to that. And then we have watermark. Now you may want to have a watermark or a logo on your images. You can have it on the bottom left, right, center, wherever you like. It does change the size and then the transparency. Or you can upload your own. Although that's a fairly nice feature, you can go over to Canva and sign up for a free account, create logos, create your watermarks, whatever you want. Also, you can create your Instagram posts as well within Canva. And there are so many different options. It's way better, and it's completely free. And back in ProfitGram members area, we'll take a look at schedules. And this is where you're going to be able to automate your posts and so on. You have queue, published, unpublished, all schedules, Instagram posts, and you can delete as well. And you can select the day you want the post to go out on. You can add a post. And this is where we create our actual post for Instagram. You have a choice of photo, video, link, or text. You can upload your image from your file manager, which I showed you earlier on, and you can enter your caption. And then we can schedule it out, and you can select the date. You can select how many times you want to repost it, the interval per post per minute, and then repost until. Now this is where the major problem arises, in my opinion, because if you are auto scheduling posts and you select to have multiple posts going out to multiple accounts, this is where you could potentially get in trouble with Instagram and have your account banned. I'm over on the Instagram Health Center, and they explain how many accounts you can follow, and to reduce spam they have a measure in place that you are not allowed to follow any more than 7,500 people. And over on their community guidelines, they explain to help us stay spam free by not artificially collecting likes, follows or shares, posting repetitive content or comments, or repeatedly contacting people for commercial purposes without their consent. And when they're claiming that you're going to get a traffic stream that's fully automated and you're going to be able to tap into 2 billion daily visitors, that's just simply not true. There may be 2 billion people on Instagram, but there's nowhere that you're going to be able to reach that many people. And the last feature we'll take a look at is the Instagram post activity and direct messages. This is where they have a chat bot that you can connect to your account and automatically comment, reply, send out links to random accounts. But this is where the claim on the sales page where your revenue is going to come from. Imagine if in minutes from now you could start getting paid big fat 1,000 plus commissions straight into your bank account with automated done for you traffic that never stops. Where does these commissions come from? Well, inside the members area as of today's date, there are no products that you can promote. What I'd assume is this is actually one of the OTOs. I want to quickly run through a free alternative that you can get started with. Now there is going to be a fee eventually if you decide to continue on, but we have InstaChamp. It's by Mobile Monkey, and they are partnered with Instagram, and you'd be quite safe to use a software like this. But you'll see when I go through the actual sales page or the features, there is no promises of you going to be able to click 3 buttons and instantly make money online. Now, in my opinion, unless you have an established business, this really would just be a time saver. Okay, so let's run through the cost in OTOs. We have a front-end cost of $17. There is a downsell of $15. OTO 1 is Pro and is $36.93, and then downsell is $26.93. OTO 2 is done for you, and that's going to be $36.93, downsell $26.93. Then we have OTO 3, it's resellers, and that's $197, and then there's a downsell of $97. And then OTO 4 we have IMX, which is $97, and then there's a downsell of $67. And the total cost, if you were to pick up all the products from ProfitGram, will be $384. My overall thoughts of ProfitGram is that you're not going to be generating the type of results that they're promising on the sales page. It is extremely overhyped. They explained that they made $60,000 in 1 week, and I don't believe that that's going to be anywhere near what you're going to make with ProfitGram. In my personal opinion, you'll be very lucky to make any money using their software. And even after this review, if you still want to pick up ProfitGram, I wouldn't be fully confident that you're going to get your money back within the 30 days. They do claim here that if in the unlikely event that you encounter any technical issues, that you are able to rectify quickly, and they'll be able to give you a refund. However, they'll be able to actually talk their way out of that refund, because when you're using their software and it's not working, it's because Instagram has stopped it, not because of ProfitGram. And that's a very easy way for them to talk their way out of giving you your money back, because their software is spammy and it doesn't work. So that's my full rundown and walkthrough of ProfitGram. I hope you found this review helpful, and if you did, I'd really appreciate if you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification so you stay informed of future videos softwares just like this one. I give my genuine and honest opinion on whether these softwares is going to help you make money online. And remember, go click that link in the description below for free step-by-step training if you're interested in getting started in affiliate marketing the right way and grow a long-term business. And if you see a video on screen, why not go check that out, and I will catch you on the next video. Take care.